Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumanth Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I'm going to dictate the questions and answers to all the comprehension checks and working with the text for class 8, chapter 3, Glimpses of the Past from the book Honeydew. Let's start with comprehension check on page number 45. Question 1. Look at the picture 1 and recall the opening lines of the original song in Hindi. Who is the singer? Who else do you see in this picture? Question 2. In picture 2, what do you understand by the company's superior weapons? Third, who is an artisan? Why do you think the artisans suffered? Picture 3. And fourth, which picture, according to you, reveals the first sparks of the fire of revolt? Dear guys, answers to these 4 questions. Answer to the question 1. The opening lines of the Hindi song are, ए मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. And this song was sung by Lata Mangeshkar, V.C. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Mrs. Indira Gandhi in this picture. Question 2. East India Company conquered India by using their superior weapons, the guns, and diplomacy. Answer to question number 3. An artisan is a craftsman skilled in some trade. They suffered because the goods that they produced lost demand in the Indian market. Answer to the question 4. Picture 7 reveals the first spark of fire of revolt. Now working with the text, page number 45. Question 1. Do you think the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the event of 1757? Its answer: yes, the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach. They fought against each other with the help of British. Thus, the British became the virtual rulers. Question 2. How did the East India Company subdue Indian princes? Its answer: East India Company spread their wings in India to promote their trade. They supported one Indian prince to finish the other. As a result of power passed on to their hands. Question 3. Quote the words used by Raja Ram Mohan Rai to say that every religion teaches the same principles. Dear guys, its answer: the words of Ram Mohan Rai spoken to his wife were, cows are of different colors, but the color of the milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. Question 4. In what way did the British officers exploit Indians? Dear guys, its answer. The British rulers passed a resolution under which an Indian could be sent to jail without a trial in the court. The goods manufactured in England were exempted from the custom duty. The officer prospered and on the company's loot, and their private business flourished. Question 5. Name these people. First, the ruler who fought pitched battles against the British and died fighting. Second, the person who wanted to reform the society. Third, the person who recommended the introduction of English education in India. Fourth, the popular leaders who led the revolt. Choices may vary. Its answer. Tipu Sultan of Mysore. Answer to second, Raja Ram Mohan Rai of Bengal. Answer to third, Lord Macaulay. And answer to fourth, Nana Sahib Peshwa, Kunwar Singh, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Question 6. Mention the following. 2 examples of social practice prevailing then. Second, 2 oppressive policies of British. Third, 2 ways in which common people suffered. Fourth, 4 reasons for the discontent that led to the 1857 War of Independence. Answer to 1. Untouchability and child marriage. Answer to 2. The British masters allowed imports in India tax-free. They ruined Indian cottage industries. Answer to 3. The farmers were taxed heavily and the thumbs of skilled workers were cut. Answer to 4th A. Santals who lost their land became desperate and they revolted. B. The sepoys in the English army were paid much less than the white soldiers, so they were discontented and angry. C. The Brahmins were furious when they came to know that the bullets they had to bite contained cow fat and pig fat. D. Many landlords were sore because the British policies deprived them of their land and estate. Dear guys, it's all for today. Hope you must have enjoyed this video lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye.